Hello everybody, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to recover your Epic Games account. For that you'll need to open up your browser. You can use any browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your browser, search epicgames.com on your search bar. This way you will directly land on Epic Games website. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top right of your screen. Select Sign In. After you tap on Sign In with Epic Games. After that, tap on Forgot Your Password which is on your right hand side. Enter the email address that is linked to your account and then tap on the blue tab that says Send Email. Epic Games will now send you instructions to reset your password on your email, so open up your mail. After you open up your mail, there you'll see the option of Reset Password. Tap on it in order to access the link, or you can simply tap on the link below. Now, set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. Be sure to create a strong password. When you are done, tap on the blue tab that says Reset Password. Your password has been updated. Now go back to your browser. Tap on Sign In. Enter the email address that is linked to your account and then enter the password that you have recently set. After you are done, tap on Login Now. This way you can recover your Epic Games account if you have forgotten your password. Now you can continue to use end-to-end digital ecosystem to build, distribute and operate games and other contents. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.